Just want to let you guys know that there is absolutely nothing wrong when being lazy when it comes to curly hair, because we all know curly hair is already high maintenance, but when it comes to hairstyles, we can be lazy. It is 100% okay to be lazy when it comes to curly hairstyles, because our hairs already high maintenance. You guys heard that from the back? Curly hair is very high maintenance. High maintenance. Hey guys, it's Darling, aka Dare to Be Curly, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lazy. This video is dedicated to all the lazy girls out there. This one's for you guys. I look so tired. I feel like it is perfect for this video. It adds character of me being tired. It just adds character to this video. When it comes to hairstyles, I'm very lazy and low maintenance as it gets. I just rather have my hair lionessly out. Is that a word? I just made it up. Whatever. Lionessly out. But when it's day 4 and 5 and you're just like, oh, I really don't want to wash my hair, these are hairstyles that will definitely work well for your dirty hair days. I am working on day 3 hair. This is still day 3, still pulling through, but I can sense my curls are dropping in the front, in the back, but it's okay because we're gonna have hairstyles to fix that. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, for the first hairstyle, it's the classy, lazy, tired, low bun. You can wear this hairstyle at any job, corporate, you know, very simple and lazy. Right there, I got my aerosol spray. I call it 360 Mister. Then I use CURLSMITH's Hydro Flexi jelly. It's a very lightweight gel. I don't like gels that come flaky, and this gel definitely does not give any flakes to my hair. And I get my little Teasing Brush that you see right there. I just like graze over my hair. I don't put that much of a sleek lazy bun because remember, we're being lazy. Look at that lazy low bun. And it's classy at the same time. We can do it all, lazy and classy. I'm using the same scrunchie throughout my whole video. This scrunchie just doesn't give me any dents. Like, I'm using it through all my hairstyles and I still don't get dents. This is the Lazy Alien Bun. I like it because it's simple and I literally just put my finger in the middle and wrap the hair around that finger and just tighten it, and that's pretty much all I do. There you go. Lazy, lazy, lazy. Look at that girl. She's lazy. This one's my favorite, the Lazy Galaxy Buns. I part my hair in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect because remember, we're not trying that much. We're trying to be lazy. This is lazy. It's the same thing as the other bun. Wrap my hair around with that one finger, and that's it. Just as tight as I can, and loosen it up a little bit to cover the little scrunchie thing. It looks like the end of an old telephone wire. That's what these scrunchies look like. And that's pretty much it. And I'll use some water and some gel. I have some gel in my hands and just graze over it at the front. And that's pretty much it. I'm very low maintenance to all these hairstyles. And if you're like me that gets headaches when they have their hair up, I suggest getting the best lazy accessory, a headband. I have all the colors. I am not lying. You will see. I will show it to you. Look at that. Very simple. If you don't want to do your hair, put it up. Wow, what a headband does. It just solves all our problems. It's like every lazy girl needs a headband. It's like the best lazy accessory. And you're gonna see right now I have all the colors. Be lazy in different colors. Now for this hairstyle, I still keep the headband on because I do not want to do anything. Any type of the most I do not want to do. I keep the headband on, just put my hair half up, and it's just a lazy half awake bun. That's what I call it. Because, you know, you're halfway there. You're halfway up and halfway lazy. That's why I called it that way. See what it did there? Lazy. 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 And last but not least, the classic Lazy Bun. Just put my hair all the way up like a pineapple style. And I will hide away the bad curls and just tuck them under the scrunchie or telephone wire thing that I looks like. And then I'll put another one over it. And then I'll fix it up around town. You know, show the curls, the pretty curls out. So it looks like my hair is actually, you know, cute. And then whatever, you know what I mean? We're trying to trick them that we actually attempted to do our hair. That's what we're trying to do, guys. Being lazy is just hiding what you're doing, but not really doing. If that makes any sense. That doesn't make any sense. And then, if you really want to be lazy, add a headband. Headbands are just the best. You're going to need a headband for this. If you want to be lazy, get yourself headbands. And that's it, guys. Clearly, that took so much out of me. I'm ready to go take a nap. Actually, not really, to go to sleep. That's what I'm going to do. All right, guys, and that's it for my laziest, low-maintenance hairstyles for us curly girls. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I dare you to be curly. You get a headband. You get a headband. Everyone gets headbands. I got white. Well, beige, sort of. I got green. I think this, yeah, this is green. See? Headbands just like make it look like you've done your hair, but you really don't. See? This is white. See, I've literally all the colors in the world. I like this one. This one's my favorite one. I wear this a lot. Pink. I'm not a pink person, but I have it just in case. You never know. You never know when I want to wear pink. And gray. Is this? Yeah, this is gray. You see? Ask me how many times I yawned in this video. Ask me. Before, I look horrible. I look distressed. After. Alright, I am done.